morning children. Today's topic is adjective. Okay, in the parts of speech I have already told you there are 8 parts of speech. First one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verbs and the fourth one is adjective. Okay, now I am going to teach you about the adjectives. Okay, adjective is a word which qualifies the noun or pronoun, okay. So adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. It is called as describing word. It is a describing word. Adjectives are nothing but describing word. It describes a noun and pronoun by adding something to its meaning. Okay. It describes the noun or pronoun by adding something to its meaning. So adjectives are a word which qualifies the noun or pronoun. By adding something to its meaning. It is also called as describing word. It describes the noun or pronoun in the form of, for example, describes about the size, color, kind, etc. Okay. So it describes about the size, it describes about the color, it describes about the kind. Okay, etc. So adjectives are nothing but describing word. It describes a noun or pronoun by adding something to its meaning in the form of size, color, kind, etc. Example: the rose is a beautiful flower. So here beautiful is the adjective. So flower is the noun and it qualifies the noun. How is the flower? The flower is beautiful. Okay, beautiful is the adjective. Second one, the elephant is a huge animal. So how is the animal? Huge. So huge is an adjective. The elephant is a huge animal. Here huge is the adjective. It qualifies the noun. By adding something to its meaning. The rose is a beautiful flower. Here the beautiful is the adjective. Next one, the elephant is a huge animal. Huge is the adjective. Third one, the lazy dog sat on the floor. Here the lazy dog sat on the floor. Lazy is the adjective. See, this is the noun. Dog is the noun and it qualifies the noun. This lazy is the adjective. Did you understand? So adjectives are the word which qualifies a noun or pronoun, which adds something to its meaning. Okay, it is also called as describing word. We can define adjectives like this: describing word. It describes the noun or pronoun by adding something to its meaning. Okay, children. Example: the rose is a beautiful flower. Here beautiful is the adjective. Next one, the elephant is a huge animal. Huge is the adjective. Next, the lazy dog sat on the floor. Lazy is the adjective here. Some more examples we can see. He is a kind man. What type of man he is? He is a kind man. So here kind is an adjective. Next one, second one, Ravi is an intelligent boy. So here intelligent is the adjective. He is a kind man. Here kind is the intelligent. Kind is the adjective. Ravi is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is the adjective. I hope you have understood about adjectives. So adjectives are called as describing words which qualifies a noun or pronoun adding something to its meaning in the form of kind, color, size, etc. Okay. So example, he is a kind man. Kind is an adjective. Next, Ravi is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is the adjective here. Next, we will see about the types of adjectives. Next, we will see the types of adjectives. Now, we are going to see the types of adjective. First one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. So, this describes the nature of a noun or pronoun by asking the question what kind. By asking the question what kind. Question what kind. What kind. Okay, what kind. So it qualifies a noun or pronoun by asking the question what kind. Adjective of quality describes about the noun or pronoun by asking the question what kind. Example, he is a brave boy. Brave boy. Here, brave is the adjective of quality. What type of boy he is? He is a brave boy. So here, brave is the adjective of quality. Next example, it was a sunny day. Sunny day. What type of a day? It was a sunny day. So sunny is the adjective of quality. Sunny is the adjective of quality. Next, third example, Ramesh is an honest man. What type of a man? He is an honest man. Here, honest is the adjective of quality. So, adjective of quality describes the nature of a noun or pronoun by asking the question what kind. So, adjective of quality describes the nature of a noun or pronoun by asking the question what kind or kind. So, he is a brave boy. What kind of a boy he is? He is a brave boy. So, this brave is the adjective of quality. Next, it was a sunny day. This sunny is the adjective of quality. Next, Ramesh. Ramesh is an honest man. What type of a man is Ramesh? Ramesh is honest man. So, honest is the adjective of quality. Okay. Understood, children? I hope you have understood about the adjective of quality. It describes the nature of a noun or pronoun by asking the question what kind. Example, he is a brave boy. Brave is the adjective of quality. Next, it was a sunny day. What type of a day it was? It was a sunny day. So, sunny is the adjective of quality. Next, third one, Ramesh is an honest man. What type of a man is Ramesh? He is an honest man. So, honest is the adjective of quality. Now, the second one comes adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. So, this adjective of quantity helps us to show the quantity, that is the amount or the approximate amount of a noun or pronoun. For example, much. For example, much, more, few, whole, little, etc. Little, etc. So, this quality of adjective of quantity shows the amount of noun or pronoun in the terms of much, more, few, whole, little, etc. These are the few examples. Example, she cannot eat the whole bread. Whole bread. Whole bread. So, this whole is the adjective of quantity. That much quantity shows the quantity, that is approximate amount. So, amount of noun or pronoun in the form of much, more, few, whole, little, etc. Example, she cannot eat the whole bread. So, adjective of quantity shows the amount of noun or pronoun, approximate amount. So, in the terms of much, more, few, whole, little, etc. Example, she cannot eat the whole bread. First one. Second one, he has enough food to eat. Enough food to eat. Here, which is the adjective here? Adjective of quantity, enough. He has enough food to eat. He has enough food to eat. So enough is the adjective of quantity. Next, there are few books in the cupboard, in the shelf or cupboard, shelf. Okay. So here few books. Few is the adjective of quantity. Few is the adjective of quantity. So they help, this adjective of quantity help us to show the amount or approximate amount of noun or pronoun. Example, much, more, few, whole, little, etc. Okay, example, she cannot eat the whole bread. Here whole is the adjective of quantity. Next, he has enough food to eat. This enough is the quantity, isn't it? Amount. So this enough is the adjective of quantity. Next, there are few books on the, there are few books in the shelf. So this few is the adjective of quantity. I hope you have understood about adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. Okay children, I have told you about the two types of adjective. One is adjective of quality and another one is adjective of quantity. Adjectives are nothing but describing word which describes the noun or pronoun by adding something to its meaning. So there are 8 types of adjective. First one is adjective of quality. I have explained to you. Next, second one is adjective of quantity. Thank you. Have a nice day.